to NV online classroom. Today we will learn PHP chapter 12, error handling. In this chapter we learn how to handle the error in PHP. Today we learn error handling. The default error handling in PHP is very simple. An error message with a file name, line number and a message describing the error is sent to the browser. When creating a script and web application, error handling is an important part. If your code lacks error checking code, your program may look very unprofessional and you may be open to security risks. The tutorials contain some of the most common error checking method in PHP. There are simple die statement, custom error and error trigger and error reporting. There are the method to handle the error. First of all, we understand the die statement. Here we use a die function to handle the error. Just to see in our file, here in this example, show a simple script and that open a text file. In this example, see, this is a simple script and that open a text file. If the file does not exit, you might get an error. Here we open the welcome.txt file with read only. Save the file and run the file in our browser. If the file does not exist, you might get an error like this. File or directory does not exist. To avoid that, the user get an error message like the one above. We test if the file exits before we try to access it. Avoid this type of error. We test the file will exit or not. For that we use the if loop. If the file underscore exit, set the file name welcome.txt. Here, this example, suppose the file is not exit, then it execute the die function and display the message file not found. Then set the else code. And suppose file is exit, so it execute the else code. Means the file is open. Save the file and run the file in our browser. And see the output. Here welcome.txt file is not exit. So you get an error message, file not found. The code above is more efficient than the earlier code because it uses simple error handling mechanism to stop the script after the error.